Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City on a early winter's evening. I got my hoodie on. It's a beautiful evening. Just the sun is just setting behind me. I'm here in the southern end of the Atlantic City Boardwalk by the Tropicana. Gonna head back to where I'm staying tonight, the Hard Rock. Come along with me, let's take a walk. This is the historic and landmark building, the Ritz. It started out as a hotel. It was built in 1919, well, between 1919 and 1921. Started out as a hotel, is now condominiums. It was actually supposed to become a hotel and casino in the 80s, but plans fell through for legal reasons. I finally learned after all these years that when you're recording a video on the Atlantic City Boardwalk and you're walking during sundown, you should walk from the Tropicana to the Ocean Casino Resort, not the other way, which is what I usually do. The sun should be at your back, not in front of you when you're recording. But I'm sure during the course of this video, I can't resist and I'll turn around and give you guys a shot of that beautiful sun. The popular beer garden is still open, and you're going to find during this time of the year going into winter that about, I'm going to say 50% of the businesses, whether they're restaurants or stores or what have you, on this boardwalk will be closed during the off-season. Also, something to consider if you're visiting Atlantic City during the off-season is the hotels and casinos. A lot of the restaurants and shops have fewer hours during the off-season. Some restaurants might only be open on the weekends. They might open later or close sooner. So keep that in mind. And if you have something specific you want to do down here, make a phone call first and make sure that it's going to happen. But don't get me wrong. There's always places to eat and shop in this town. It's just that the hours are a little more restricted during the off-season. Just going to freeze the frame here for a moment. I never understood that particular dial on the clock tower in front of us. It never made any sense to me. Let's move on. I've been telling you guys for years, this is my favorite time of the year for Atlantic City. The season's over, basically for visitors, and it's just beautiful weather. There's no crowds, no lines. Things are open, things are closed. It's about 50-50 as far as the restaurants and shops, but just my favorite time of the year. I love walks in the evening, especially in the cool, crisp weather like we're having right now. Again, my favorite time in Atlantic City. Always has been for years. You guys know that. The holiday season is right around the corner, and I know you guys are looking forward to my holiday season videos here on the New York channel. You do every year according to your comments, and I appreciate that. Lots of holiday videos coming from Atlantic City and other secret locations as well, so stay tuned to the New York channel. Of course, part of the holiday festivities here on the New York channel will include the Atlantic City Who Decorated the Best for the Season. That contest is an annual event and no secret, and it's going to start very soon. And of course, after that is my annual Jeff from New York visits every sports book here on the boardwalk during Super Bowl Sunday. I'm looking forward to that one. I love doing that video every year. I have been looking for some kind of an excuse to go into the Rainforest Cafe and shooting a video. Now, I've been to the gift shop. It's been featured in a couple of my videos, but I never actually recorded inside the cafe. I ate there, I gotta say, about 20 years ago, and I haven't eaten there since. And I feel kind of stupid as a grown man going in there by himself, which I usually am when I'm recording these videos. But then I thought maybe there's a bar in there, and if there's a bar in there, maybe that's an excuse to go in there, do a nice recording, walk around the place a little bit, and have a drink at the bar. So I gotta check that out. Maybe you guys can help me. Is there a bar inside the Rainforest Cafe? Let me know in the comments below. There's that beautiful sunset shot. There's a lot of, I guess you call them temporary overload garbage pails here on the boardwalk. They must have had some kind of event. They're everywhere. I think someone forgot to turn the lights on at Caesars. Very dark. No exterior lighting at all. I saw The Hook not too long ago. It's a video here on the New York channel. Had a great time. It's a great show. Also had a cocktail at the Horse Dive Bar. One of my best cocktails here in Atlantic City so far. So check that video out as well.
Great way that he changed direction when that ball was being released. You saw it in an end zone replay. A lot of hang time at this point. Scott and Kirk by Bartman.
In case you guys were wondering what that container was by Bally's in front of the yard burger and beer joint, it's really a stage, and if you open the container up, there's a big screen television inside for the games.
Your loyalty, new tiers, new rewards. Pick up your new Value Rewards card today at the Players Club. Must be 21. Bet with your head, not over. Gambling problem? Call 1-800-GAMBLER.
If you're enjoying the videos here on the New York channel, won't you please subscribe if you haven't already? And if you're enjoying this video in particular, give it a thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. Thanks, guys. place behind me has been empty for years, I say we make it the New York headquarters for Atlantic City. What say you? Leave a comment below. Now keep in mind it's around sundown if you've been following this video, and a lot of these places are either closed or are closing. Again, the hours much shorter during the off season. This is the New Jersey Casino Control Commission right here on the Atlantic City Boardwalk. They're keeping an eye on all the casinos here in town, which of course are keeping an eye on you. And here we are in front of Resorts Hotel and Casino, one of the first, actually the first casino to open up in the state of New Jersey, here on the Boardwalk of Atlantic City. And unfortunately, they had a boardwalk fire last week. It looked a lot worse than what it actually was, but there was damage done to the building. The restaurants at the front of the casino are still closed. Hopefully they'll be opening up shortly. I am actually staying here in the next day or two, so hopefully things will be back to normal, and I will bring you guys videos as quickly as possible on this resort, but I'm sure they'll be fine. And here we are at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. I'm also staying here for 2 nights coming up very shortly in the next few days, all in preparation for the Christmas videos to come up soon. Hey, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button underneath the video. I do appreciate your support, guys. And if you click on that thanks button, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Speaking of which, a shout out to Glitter Pool Party, who left a super thanks on my Lucy the Elephant video. Thank you so much, Glitter Pool Party. I appreciate your support. A lot has been going on here at the Showboat recently, and I just did a video here including the water park. A lot of the prices have dropped here at the Showboat now that the season's over. I'm wondering why everything seems so dark tonight, and I just realized I'm still wearing sunglasses. I have my regular glasses in my backpack. I'll switch them after the video's over. Well, that's it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed our walk on the boardwalk here in beautiful Atlantic City tonight, from the Tropicana all the way north to the Ocean Casino Resort. Gonna head over to the Showboat. Haven't been there in a while. Want to see what's going on inside. Let's wrap this one up. Hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the New York channel. I appreciate you watching. Thanks, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.